Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we're doing a slightly complicated job. Access is pretty difficult to get to. Bobcat, everything's going to be hard to get up here. It's also going to have to get pumped. Stick around for the excavation, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Thanks for leaving us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye. All right guys, so everything's good to go. We managed to get the Bobcat in here through there, and then there was a little path over there and up here and through there to get around. We will be pumping this, so everything is sloping a lot that way, and then it's almost flat with the slight slope this way here to begin with, and then down there there's a lot of slope going that way. And then we're gonna grab the water from here to that stake, to that stake, to the box, and then it's gonna collect in that area and then shoot down that pipe, and they're gonna connect something to that pipe and then have it run under. Pretty complicated, kind of. It's just we gotta make sure that when water comes down this hillside, hits here, that it doesn't just run over here. Now some will run over, but a majority of this will shoot towards that. And then the sonotubes around the trees are slightly higher than the concrete, so I'm gonna kind of like lift it up like that so water doesn't crash over and go inside the tree area and doesn't run out. And then here's our sidewalk, pretty straightforward, coming up there. And that's so the customers can have a dog run to walk their dogs up, put them in here. They're gonna do a fence afterwards, but it's gonna look pretty cool. And there it is, guys. See you tomorrow at the pour. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye. Ah, look at that. Oh, that's If you need me for something, let me know. You want me to holler at your guy? I don't know if he's yelling.
Ya pasó la subidita. No estoy diciendo que aquí va allá así. Ah, ok. Te apuntes también de ese lado, vamos a los calculaditos. Sí, me acordaba que me entró de allá de señor. Señor. Ahí es como un tipo suevo. Hoy me lo voy a llevar como... es un suevo. Un suevo, sí. Ahí no lo vamos a llevar despacito. No. Eso sí que no.
¿Me dan para las llantas del carro?
A la llantera y me salieron como con 1800
¿Por eso es el que carga?
llantas.
El vicio más caro es el del coche.
Exacto.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured about a 5 slump, 7 in the morning, 1% non-chloride accelerant. So this thing's gonna set up really, really nice. They've been back and forth on maybe we might get a sprinkle this afternoon, but it's already setting up really, really well. We sloped everything from the middle to here to the box, and then here we gave it like a little lip. So the tiny little swell here, tiny little swell there. So water should come in crashing this way, down, not hop over the form and into this box out here, and they'll connect to something here and go from there. But there it is, and then we're sloping down that way, sloping this way. So a little bit will go around there, but the majority is coming right here. And there it is, guys. We should get maybe like a little crack here around these little narrow parts, but everything else should come out really nice. Thanks for sticking around, guys. It was a complicated job. We got it knocked out. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. Next week, we got something small and simple, little 10 by 10 hot tub pad, but we'll see you then, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.